First, use a pencil to draw screw holes using the metal mounting plate, then drill 3 holes on the wall. Pass a screw through the plastic mounting bracket and the metal plate. Ensure the bracket and plate are in the right direction as shown. Mount the 3 screws to the wall but don't fully tighten them yet. Leave a small gap between the metal plate and the wall. Pass the power cable through the metal plate. Move around the cable to keep proper distance between camera and the metal plate. Tighten all screws. Snap the magnetic mount onto the mounting bracket, and screw it clockwise to seal. And finally attach the camera to the magnetic mount. If the camera is located in high wind environment, we recommend using the included 3M tape, to increase friction between the camera and the magnetic mount, so that camera's viewing angle will not flicker, due to high wind or an accidental bump. If it is hard to stabilize the camera due to traction from the cable, turn the magnetic mount counterclockwise and reverse all previous steps. Then adjust the cable length between the camera and the metal plate. Mount the brackets to the ceiling. And then attach the camera to the base. If the image is upside down, toggle the flip screen switch in App menu. To install the camera on a table, simply place it on the table, along with the magnetic mount and mounting bracket. In the case that mounting with screws is not allowed, you can mount the bracket with the round 3M tape. Although it is not recommended to use this method when camera is placed outdoor, as rain and dust may reduce the adhesiveness of the 3M tape over time.